Hello everyone, this is my review of this elevated dog bed that also has a canopy that you can install on top of it to keep the dog cool, especially if they're outside under the sun. These are all the components that comes with it, and they're pretty sturdy and stable, and we're going to be putting it together and show you what it looks like. First we have the dog bed itself to unfold it and roll it out. Then we have their frame poles that just unfold, and they have an elastic band that slips them right together easily. Now we're going to stick the poles into the edge of the bed pattern to give it a nice frame. Now we're going to attach the legs. The legs slip right into the poles, and they're pretty easy. And for the last part, you have to put it in like this, and the bed will pull over and Velcro the end over, so it's easy to attach that way, so you don't have to fight it when you're trying to put it together. And this is what the bed looks like. Now we're going to put the canopy together, and that's easy to put together as well. The poles come apart and they snap together just like the bed frame poles, because they have a elastic string that keeps it together. And then we'll just attach the canopy with Velcro on the top. Then we're going to latch it down on the legs of the bed, and that's about it. It was easy to put together, about 20 minutes, and now she can use it. She can lay around in the house with this bed, or we can take it outside and have her out there, out the sun, while I'm in the garden doing stuff, or just chilling out there. She has her own little bed with a canopy to keep her from getting heat stroke or being in the sun. So this is a pretty cool bed for your pet, and I hope this review helps.